Welcome back, viewers. A fresh storm is brewing in Karnataka. This is over Karnataka minister's statement, which has sparked a massive controversy. This is the Karnataka Minister for Fisheries and Ports, who has now threatened, he has given a recommendation, a proposal, a threaten to order the shooting of individuals suspected of cow theft in Uttar Kannada district. Speaking in response to the rising number of cow theft cases which are reported in the area, he has said that if such instances and incidences continue, then he'll have no hesitation in directing the police to shoot the suspects on sight. The minister, the Karnataka minister, has also emphasized his willingness to take this extreme measure to curb the crime. He also told the reporters that even when the BJP was in power, cow thefts were reported, but cow rearers need not fear under the Congress government, as it is in favor of cow and cow rearers. Listen into what he had to say.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಕಳ ಕೇಸ್, ಆಕಳ ಕಳ್ಳತನ ಬಹಳ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಏನು ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಆಗಿಂದಾಗೆ SP ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇದು ಬಂದ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಡಿಕೂಡದು. ಇದು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಾಕುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ಹಸುನ ಅದರ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿದು ಅಥವಾ ಈಗೂ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ನಾವು ಕುಡಿದು ಬೆಳೆದಂಥವ್ರು. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರಿಗೆ, ಯಾರೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವರು ಇವರು ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಮುಲೈದು ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಡೀತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೇನೋ, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಗುಂಡಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, and a big war of words has emerged over the same. SDPI is hit out at the Congress. They have claimed so-called quote-unquote Sangh Parivar mindset in Congress. They have said, and I quote, Cong's rowdy mindset has been revealed. He's asked the Chief Minister to remove such netas. Listen into what the SDPI had to say, and then we'll be joined by one of our colleagues who will basically help us understand exactly what the Karnataka minister had to say. That tweet also of SDPI is also on your screens. SDPI has hit out at the Congress. They have claimed the Sangh Parivar mindset in the Congress. A tweet by SDPI has been put out on your screen, viewers. SDPI basically saying that Congress is indulging in politics. They have hit out at the Congress party over the statement of the Karnataka minister. Remember, this is the Karnataka minister's statement. The Minister for Fisheries and Ports, who has basically threatened to order the shooting of individuals suspected of cow theft in Uttar Kannada district. Speaking in response to the rising number of cow theft cases, what the minister basically has said that he would have no hesitation in directing the police to shoot the suspects on sight. That was a big statement by the minister. SDPI has now hit out at the Congress, and they have said that there is a Sangh Parivar mindset in the Congress. But first of all, my colleague Imran is joining us live on the broadcast. Imran, we just heard the tweet by SDPI. First of all, can you help us understand exactly what the Karnataka minister said?
Well, there has been a couple of incidents in the last month about cow theft, and where a couple of miscreants had even injured the cow in a brutal manner. There were stab wounds on the cows, and the cow smuggling was active on that area route, especially in the coastal belt, because that's the route that cow meat is transported from here to Goa, and that's a very the cow smugglers route is what is called. And then reacting over this incident, the fisheries and district in charge minister of Uttar Kannada, Mankal Vaidya, said that he will ensure, the cops are ensuring that the smugglers are immediately arrested. And went on to say, if that is not satisfied, then he will allow these cow smugglers to be shot on the street. And over this controversy was broken out because SDP has claimed this is the mindset of the Sangh Parivar. Now it is being found in Congress. In fact, he went on even to the minister, target the BJP MLA there locally, saying that Dinakar Shetty is acting like Dinakar Khan. And over this statement, the SDP has taken the objection the most, saying that this is how the Sangh Parivar, the language of Sangh Parivar, and is echoed by the Congress minister there. And action should be initially strongly against him. In fact, there are in several series of tweets that targeted the AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, and his Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister to take action against the minister and to retract the statements immediately.
Absolutely, Imran. that was obviously the politics which is happening over the same. We also heard what the Karnataka minister had to say. We'll be playing out that entire reaction in full for our viewers. Basically, viewers, this is a statement of the Karnataka minister which has sparked a storm. Imran was just telling us about that statement. Once again, let's listen in to that entire statement, exactly what the minister had to say, which led to this showdown.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಕಳ ಕೇಸ್, ಆಕಳ ಕಳ್ಳತನ ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಏನು ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಆಗಿಂದಾಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇದು ಬಂದ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಡಿಕೂಡ್ದು. ಇದು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಾಕುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ಹಸುನ ಅದರ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿದು ಅಥವಾ ಈಗೂ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಕುಡಿದು ಬೆಳೆದಂಥವ್ರು. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರಿಗೆ, ಯಾರೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವರು ಇವರು ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಮುಲೈದು ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಡೀತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೇನು, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಗುಂಡಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಥದ್ದಾದರೆ ಸರ್ಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಗುಂಡು ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ದುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದು BJP ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದವಾಗೂ ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದವಾಗ ನಡೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕುಮಟಾದಲ್ಲೂ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಏನು ದಿನಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಿನಕರ್ ಖಾನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವರು. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ FIR ಆಯಿತು, ಹೇಗೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ BJP ಅವರಾಗಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. TV ಅವರು ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೀ. ಇಲಾಖೆ ಇರೋದು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡು.
All right, thank you, Imran, for joining us with all that details. We also heard what the Karnataka minister had to say. That statement has sparked a massive slugfest. Viewers, shoot the individuals who are suspected of cow theft in Karnataka. That's the statement by the Karnataka minister. The ramification of the same politics around it, we will keep an eye on it through the course of the day. As of now, we are slipping into a short commercial break.